Hey everybody, we're gonna make some delicious dinner, kind of a Moo Shu pork, vegan style. Today we're gonna make a delicious Chinese-inspired dish, vegan Moo Shu dish. We're gonna use Beyond Burgers as the meat. We're gonna use a head of cabbage, a little walnut oil, soy sauce, oyster mushrooms. So the first thing that we do is we're gonna take a Beyond Meat burger and chop it up. And then put it into the pan like this. Heat on, get it going. The other one, so we take our washed oyster mushrooms and then just add that to the Beyond Meat. So that's gonna cook and simmer in the Beyond Meat juices. All right, then we take this cabbage, start chopping it up. We're making a Moo Shu dish. I used to like Moo Shu pork or Moo Shu chicken from Chinese restaurants, and this actually comes out tasting just like it. Absolutely delicious, and takes minutes to make. Okay, so we're gonna put in a little bit of salt and garlic powder. I've been a vegan for about 5 years, and it's the easiest thing in the world. This stuff fills you up. It's not like eating Chinese food where you're hungry, you know, in a half an hour. It sticks to your ribs. Now we're gonna add some soy sauce. Oh, now it's starting to smell just like Moo Shu pork in the restaurant. Eliminating the animal fat from your body, and I feel just a million times better. I didn't ever think I could be in this good shape again. All we've done is mostly just stirring up vegetables and ground up Beyond Meat burgers. Couldn't be easier. Chinese restaurants tend to use wraps that are a little lighter. The ones in the restaurants are usually pretty small. I like these ones because they're nice and large. And you just serve these the way they come. I just spoon a generous amount into the center. Wrap it up. There you have it. Let's give it a taste. Wow, that's good. Vegan Moo Shu mock pork.